Hey friends, in this video I'm sharing the recipe for Pandan Jelly Dessert. This delicious cold dessert is a silky jelly topped with palm sugar syrup and creamy coconut sauce. It's a delicious and refreshing sweet treat to enjoy on a hot summer day. To make the jelly, have water, mung bean starch, rice flour, sugar, salt, and pandan paste. For the syrup, have palm sugar, salt, and water. For the coconut sauce, have coconut milk, sugar, tapioca starch, and salt. In a medium saucepan, add the water, mung bean starch, rice flour, sugar, salt, and pandan paste. Mix together, combining everything well. Be sure to mix the bottom of the pan as the starch has a tendency to settle here. Set the heat to medium-low. As the mixture warms, continue whisking. In 3 to 4 minutes, small lumps start to form and cling to the whisk. At this time, start whisking quickly. This will help to eliminate any lumps. The batter will thicken quickly. It will go from liquid to a thick paste in about a minute. After all the liquid is absorbed and you have a thick paste, reduce the heat to low. Continue stirring the batter, cooking it until it turns translucent, approximately 2 to 3 more minutes. In a large bowl, add ice cubes and cold water, filling it about halfway. Transfer some jelly batter into a potato ricer, filling it half full. Gently press down on the handle to extrude the jelly. Make the jelly about 1 inch long. The weight of the jelly should make it automatically drop into the ice water. Continue making the jelly until all the batter is used. Work quickly while the batter is warm. If the jelly isn't dropping, shake the potato ricer gently or dip it in the cold water. Gently stir the jelly and let rest in the cold water for at least 10 minutes. In a medium saucepan, add the palm sugar, water, and salt. Cook over medium heat. After 5 minutes, the palm sugar becomes softer and can be broken with a spoon. Cook until the sugar is completely dissolved. This takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Transfer into a medium bowl and let cool. In a small saucepan, add the coconut milk, sugar, tapioca starch, and salt. Over medium heat, stir together, combining everything well. Heat the coconut sauce until it just comes to a boil and then remove from the heat. Transfer into a medium bowl and set aside to cool. To serve the Pandan Jelly Dessert, add crushed ice into a small bowl. Spoon some of the jelly on top. Add some palm sugar syrup and top with the coconut sauce. To enjoy, simply combine everything together. The icy combination of slippery jelly, sweet syrup, and rich coconut sauce is truly refreshing. This is an awesome chilled dessert, and I hope you enjoy my recipe. Here are a few things to try if you don't have a potato ricer. Use a colander, a cheese grater, a skimmer. You can place small amounts of the batter into the skimmer and then use a spatula to press it through the holes. Another option is a piping bag. Fill the piping bag with batter and then drop jelly strands into the ice bath. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.